If you haven't filed your taxes yet, now is the final stretch to meet that April 15th deadline.
But between new tax law changes and those crooks trying to steal your money and trick you, it can be a stressful time. Head on your side, consumer investigator Shannon Benkin joins us now in studio. Shannon.
Jen Keith, taxes are due next Wednesday. Keep in mind, if you fail to file on time, the standard penalty is 5% for every month the return is late, up to 25% of the balance.
It is crunch time for all tax filing procrastinators. So to help you out, I sat down with E. Martin Davidoff, a partner in Prager Metis CPAs. He tells me if you are finding it more difficult to file taxes this year, it may be time to get help.
And this year, because there are so many changes and so many complications, we're really recommending strongly that people hire a professional preparer, an enrolled agent, a CPA, a tax attorney, or somebody who does preparation on a regular basis.
Davidoff says the first thing to do is create an account on the IRS website, then take an important step to keep a crook from filing in your name.
Get an identity PIN. It's an IP PIN. It's an identity protection PIN. And this way, you'll have a number that the crooks who are trying to steal your identity won't have.
If you don't,
if somebody steals your identity and files a fake W-2 and tries to get a refund, you could be, right now the IRS has over 500,000 of these that they're dealing with, and it's taking 22 months. You don't want to be in that situation.
Some new things to remember this year.
There's now an interest deduction that you get even if you don't itemize. You get an interest deduction on a loan to purchase in 2025 a car assembled in America. If you're over age 65 and file jointly, it's a $12,000 deduction. For singles, it's $6,000.
I asked what mistakes he sees most often.
When you're signing, if you have a preparer do it, double check that account number, double check the bank name, double check the routing numbers. One of the mistakes is, you kind of see that you're going to owe a lot of money and you're afraid to file because then the IRS will be after you. But if you don't file, you're then hit with a 5% per month penalty, up to 25%.
Another thing to remember, the IRS will not text you. They will not threaten to arrest you. They will not ask for any unusual payment methods such as gift cards, and we hear about that often. The IRS will contact you through letters if they need to, but even then you need to make sure that those letters are legitimate because the crooks will use that to trick you as well. Experts say if you are contacted by the IRS by letter, don't ignore it.
So did he mention anything else that you found surprising?
Yes, actually he did. He had some advice for seniors who may be in a situation where they did not need to take out a large amount of money last year for retirement accounts. He said if you are 73 years old or older, there is a minimum that you do need to take out or you could be hit with a tax. So if you are in that situation, look into it. I wanted to mention that because we may have some people in our viewing area that maybe this year was that year for them and you don't want to get hit.
Yes, the RMD, the required minimum distribution, right?
That's right. You got it.
Thank you, Shannon. If you have a problem that needs solving, you better call Benkin. The telephone number 1-855-BENKIN.